Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spaces unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's see how to install BONOSS shoulder wheel logo kit on your Mercedes. Installing shoulder wheel bolts is not only the way of experienced professional but also the pursuit of beauty and the attitudes of loving life. While getting a better appearance, it can also ensure the driving safety of the vehicle. At the same time, the special slip and four-lock wheel bolts are given to prevent the wheel from being stolen and improve safety. Why do both of the shells and the wheel bolts have the BONOSS logo? Each shoulder wheel bolt is engraved with B or BONOSS, which means that these wheel bolts and shells are manufactured by BONOSS factory. The quality is guaranteed, the interests of customers are protected, and BONOSS assures the quality. BONOSS believes that focus makes more professional, and professional can create more value for customers. Therefore, BONOSS insists on producing the professional BONOSS shoulder wheel bolt. If you want to get the BONOSS shoulder wheel bolt, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.